In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to start making money on Digistore24, and I'm literally going to walk you through all the steps in this video. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel as you will definitely find other interesting videos. As you can see right here, this account has earned over $4,900, all right, promoting Digistore24 products. So basically what you want to do first is very simple. You want to create a Digistore24 account. If you don't have one, all you just need to do is go over to digistore24.com and you want to click on this register now right here. So once you click that, all you just basically need to do is type in your basic information right here and click on register now for free. So once you have your account created, all you just need to do is come over to the marketplace section right here. Okay, so once you come over to the marketplace, you want to come over to this search bar right here and you want to type in book. So basically once you type in this keyword right here, it's going to show you all the physical books that are available on Digistore24. So now all you just need to do is click on search right here. And now you may be wondering, why should you promote a physical book on Digistore24? And I'm going to explain why you want to do this. So this book right here is absolutely free. All people need to do is just pay for shipping to get this book for free. As you can see right here, you are going to earn $5 whenever anybody pays for shipping to get this book. I'm going to show you a free traffic method, and I'm also going to show you a paid traffic method that you can use. So the first thing you want to do before you promote this ebook, you want to click on this affiliate support page right here. So once you click that, as you can see right here, you are going to get the materials that is going to help you make money with this ebook. As you can see right here, this book is converting extremely well right now. Okay, so now what you want to do, you want to click on this banner right here. You want to download these banners. So once you click on that, it's going to download to your PC right away. Okay, so once it's downloaded, now you want to go over this website called shoutcart.com. So basically this website allows you to pay influencers to promote your products. All right, so as you can see right here, you can browse these influencers right here, and you are going to see influencers from various niches that you can basically promote your product to, or your affiliate product, and make money. All right, so now what you want to do is very simple. You want to click on this register for free right here. All right, so basically all you just need to do is to select I am a buyer right here. So once you do that, so if I click on that, all you just need to do is click on continue right here. And once you click on that, all you just need to do is type in your basic information right here, and you want to click on register. It's that simple. Okay, so once you have your account created, your dashboard is going to look like this, as you can see right here. So what you want to do from here, you want to click on these influencers right here. So once you click on that, as you can see right here, these are influencers from various niches right here. You can see their followers right here, and you can see how much they are going to charge to promote your affiliate product or whatever you are promoting to their audience. All right, and also you can see you can go for Instagram influencers, you can go for TikTok influencers, you can go for YouTube. All right, so whatever social media you want, you can basically click on any of it right here, and you can find influencers on that social media. Okay, all right, so since we are promoting a keto product right here for weight loss, all we just need to do is to come over to this fitness category right here. Okay, so all you just need to do is click on this arrow right here, and once you do that, you're going to see a lot of influencers in the fitness niche. You can see right here, this one with 990,000 followers, they are going to charge $350 to promote your product. Okay, you can scroll down. You don't have to go for the most expensive one. I recommend you go for cheaper ones if you are getting started. So this one right here is an example. This influencer has over 9,000 followers. All right, so you can see this is the TikTok logo right here. Okay, so basically all you just need to do is pay $15 to get your affiliate link in front of this audience right here. So once you click on that, you can see right here they have over 9,900 followers on TikTok. As you can see, it's a health and fitness niche. So if we say 1% of 9,900 people decide to buy your product, all right, so that is 99 people All right, if you multiply that by 5, you can see you have already made almost $500 right there. And if you minus the payment for the shout out, which is $15 right here, all right, you can see you are still left with over $400. And if we go to this banner we downloaded right here, as you can see right here, these are the banner we downloaded from the affiliate page. You can see right here. So all you just need to do is to share this banner with the influencer. As you can see right here, free keto cookbook, just pay shipping. Okay, you can see this is the book right here. So now all you just need to do is to send them this banner right here. Okay, so if you send them this banner, they are going to upload it on their account and you are going to make money. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to grab your affiliate link. All you just need to do is click on this right here, and then you want to come over to this website called cut.ly, and you want to paste in your affiliate link right here, and you want to shorten the link. So now all you just need to do from here is to go back, and then you want to click on this balance right here. So once you do that, all you just need to do is come over to this transaction section. If you come over to the transaction section, all you just need to do is click on add balance, and you will be able to add balance to your account. And once you add the balance, you will be able to pay any of these influencers to promote your affiliate link. All right, you can see this one right here is on Instagram and it's perfect for these banners right here. So basically all you just need to do is to send the influencer this banner right here. As you can see, this one right here with over 200,000 followers is going to charge just $25, and you are going to get your link in front of over 200,000 people. Okay, so basically you can imagine how much money you are going to make with just $25. All right, so now if you don't have money to invest in paid traffic, I'm going to show you how you can use free traffic as well. So now all you just need to do is come over to YouTube and you want to type in keto diet for beginners. So once you type that, you want to come over to the filter section and you want to make sure you select Creative Commons right here. So basically these are videos you can use for absolutely free without having any copyright issues. So all you just need to do is download these videos and you want to upload them to rumble.com. And also you can use the same description of this video right here. You just need to copy and paste the description and you want to leave your affiliate link to this product. All right, you want to make sure you shorten the link on this website right here, and you want to basically copy the shorten link and paste it in the description of your video on Rumble. Also keep in mind the product is a free product. As you can see right here, all they just need to do is pay for shipping and you make $5. All right, so basically that is all you want to do for all of these videos that you find on the YouTube right here. As you can see, these videos are getting thousands and millions of views right here, and definitely they are also going to get a lot of views on this website as well. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any useful information, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.